In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Facebook dark mode so the app uses a darker background that's easier on your eyes. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy to expand more options. In this section, look for dark mode and tap on it. Once the dark mode settings open, you'll see a few options. Select on to enable dark mode in the app. As soon as you choose this option, the background of the app will switch to a darker theme. If you prefer, you can also choose the system option so the app automatically follows your device's theme settings. This means Facebook will switch between light and dark mode depending on your device settings. After selecting your preferred option, the change will apply immediately. That's how you can easily turn on Facebook dark mode using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.